In this presentation, I'll go ahead and talk about conversion tracking once again. So we have talked about conversion tracking through the plugin, but you know what happens sometimes in the conversion tracking through plugin? Sometimes plugin clashes with each other, and through that you won't be able to track your conversions at the same moment. So we have a different idea, and we have a different option as well. That's been through Google Tag Manager. That was the easiest way, as I told you, which we were doing. That was through plugin. That was the easiest way. But of course, if it would not happen, if it would not give you the results, so we should have a backup with us through which you can get a your tracking of your conversions. And what's that? Let's learn that. It's been through Google Tag Manager. So for that, we will first log into the Google Tag Manager. Let's get into Tag Manager. I guess this is the right one, or just say only Tag Manager. That's Google Tag Manager. Sign into the Tag Manager, and there are 3 accounts. I'll go with the last one, which I just created, and inside this. So before creating a new tag, what we need to do is we need to come back to our Google Ads account. Let's close this tab window. I'll come back here. I'll go to Tools and Settings. I'll go then Conversions. First, we need to create a conversion tag, of course. Hit on. If you don't see this, you will be able to see the plus icon definitely. Then go for Website. Select one, that's purchase. Then keep the purchase as a conversion name. We'll say use different values for each conversion, and if it's so, what's the value? Let's say it's 100. Keep every purchase as a different one. We do not change anything over here. Everything will remain same. I'll say create and continue. Now we'll be using Google Tag Manager. That's a conversion ID which we will be using. Let's get into Google Tag Manager, and from here we will start creating our Google Tag ID. We'll create a conversion tag. Now we'll go ahead and hit on Add New Tag. I'll say, first of all, I'll rename it. It's be Google Conversion Tag. Tap to configuration. We will search with, now we will choose, now from here we'll choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking. Once you choose this, now it's asking conversion ID. Come here, and this is the conversion ID. We'll copy this. We'll come back here and paste it. Now it's asking conversion label. Come back here. This is my conversion label. Copy this. Come back there and paste it. Make sure there should be no space in front of everything. Now it's asking the conversion value. So basically the conversion value will not gonna be the same. This is not, this is what we need to fill it dynamically. And how will you fill that? We'll hit on plus icon, and we will not choose any of this. We'll go for plus, and then we'll go rename it total conversion value, and then we'll hit on this. Now we'll choose a data layer variable. Once you choose it, now it's asking me the data layer variable name. So there is a Word file which I'll be sharing it with you in the resources file. You may just copy this one directly and come back here and just paste it. Make sure you will remove the space mark. Now you don't need to do anything. This is save. Once you save it, look at this total conversion value that has been done. It's dynamically fixed. Now it's asking the transaction ID, which is same the order ID. Similarly, we're gonna do the same steps. Plus, again plus. Now we'll rename it. It's transaction ID. Hit on this, and now again we'll go and choose a data layer variable. Again, come here. That's order ID. That's the same thing. Wait. Copy just this one and paste it right here. And then remove the spaces if you have, then save it. Once you save it, it says transaction ID. I'll be sharing it with you. You may use the same. Now currency code, that's INR. Provide product level sales data, provide new customer data. If you want, you can choose it. Now it's asking me enable restricted data processing. The false is recommended, we'll stick to false. And now it's asking triggering. Hit on triggering. Now we'll not go for all pages, we'll hit on plus. And of course, which page do you want to trigger? If it's asking about conversion, so which is the page? That's the thank you page. Hit on plus icon, and this time this is not gonna be the same simple thank you page. This is gonna be the custom event. Now this is asking the event name. This is the event name. Select it, copy the same, and wait, and paste it right here. Make sure there should not be any kind of space. Once you do this, save it. And once it is saved, everything is done. Again, save it. Now do the submit, do publish, and do continue. And once it is continue, everything is refreshed. Two tags, 9 variables, 1 trigger. Come back to the workspace. And this is how we have done it. Let's come and see the preview. Let's see the preview. Let's start. And once you start that, come to the thank you page. Once you are at the thank you page, come back here and see this. The tags which have been fired, that's Google Analytics, and the conversion tag that has not been fired. What I'll do, I'll come back here. I'll copy the link. Copy the link. And now just close it. Close this as well. Again, submit it. Publish it. Continue this one. And just wait for a couple of seconds. Hit on preview. But this time, come back. Hit on preview. But this time, change the link. Change the link. That's thank you page. Started. That we are only triggering the thank you page. Come back here. It says Google conversion tag that has not been fired. And let's check why it's not fired. Now, what we do is, now we'll again submit it. We'll again publish. We'll again continue. After continuing it, I will do that once again. Come back to the workspace. And this time, let's go for preview once again. Once you hit on preview, hit on preview. And once you hit on preview, we'll directly go to guruschool.in. Let's start this. It won't fire as of now. Let me show you. Continue. It doesn't fire right now. Why? Because the sheet which is open, that's not the order received. So what I'll do, I'll go to shop. I'll go to sale. I'll add to cart. I'll view cart. I'll proceed to checkout. And once you proceed to checkout, I'll simply go ahead and place the order. And once I place the order, look at this, order received. And this time when I come to this page, now the conversion has been fired. The conversion tag has been fired. That's the main thing, right? And this is how you can do it. Because the tag which I have been shared it with you, that was the order completed for WooCommerce. So I'll be sharing it with you. So make sure it would only show when your order has been placed. And that's the best thing. You can see how many people has placed the order through this tag, right? And you can keep the record with you. Let's close this as of now and close this too, and we are back with Google Ad Accounts and Google Tag Manager. So this was quite easy, right? How you can keep the track of your conversions apart from the plugin. That was a different step, and I believe that was quite easy. And yeah, I'll not forget to share the resource file with you. I'll be giving it to you in the resources. You can follow along with me or download the link and then you can proceed ahead. All right. And if you find any kind of confusion, do let me know. Till then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next lecture.